Let me teach you how to attach zipper to the front part of a senator. My name is Catherine Teacher and I make tutorial videos for beginners who are just learning how to sew and people who want to learn how to sew from the comfort of their homes. Now if this is you, hit the follow button. First thing you want to do is to mark where the zipper is going to stop. Place the zipper and the fabric right sides facing each other and attach the zipper to that particular spot facing the opposite direction, just as you see me doing in the video. Top stitch on it to attach it to that particular spot. Flip the fabric to the top side and slash through the center point where you want the zipper to be. Don't cut through to where the zipper is. Stop at ½ inch before the zipper and notch towards the right and the left, just as you see me doing in the video. Arrange the zipper back to the normal position as it's supposed to be and flip the fabric to the wrong side, holding the zipper and the slashed part of the fabric together. Now sew through it all the way up using ½ inch. The thing you want to do as a beginner is to always check to make sure that you're doing the right thing. Now repeat the same thing on the other side. Now that's it. If you learned something from this video, hit the follow button and do not forget to drop a comment before you leave. I created the complete sewing machine guide for beginners to help you navigate the use of your sewing machine. Link is in my bio. Thank you.